Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're actually going to be unboxing this wireless earbud. Alright, which I actually got from Shopee. Right, so it's called AX6 True Wireless Ear Headset. Right, so it's AX6 True Wireless Headset. Right. So it came in this very simple packaging. Let's see what else they have. It says over here, Bluetooth 5.0, binaural stereo. Wow, this is the first time I see this type of headset having this binaural headset. Binaural stereo, charging box, smart touch control. Alright. The other details it has here. Call time about 3 hours, play time 2.5. Okay, the Bluetooth transmission distance about 10 meters, standby 80 hours, headset charging time about 1 hour. The charging box charging time is about 2 hours, right? So the Bluetooth protocol, these are the things that it actually supports. Right, so let's get into it. So once you put it out, this is what you get. Right. You have the right headset, the left headset, and a couple of additional ear tip, right, as you can see here, and charging cable. All right, so this is micro USB to USB-A. Right, so this is what you get when you take the earbud out from the box. All right, so let's see the quality, the ear tip.
A few moments later.
What I can see from here, this is the large one and this is small one. So I suppose the one which came with it, it's a medium one. All right. So you can see here, rubber is pretty thin. All right. I think it's okay. Yeah, big one. Yeah. Right. Let's just put it aside first. And let's get into the thing. Right. So this is the charging case. I like to do a comparison as I have here. It's actually the Halo GT1 Pro. Look at it. It looks almost identical. I mean, if you don't put it side by side, it looks almost identical. Even look at the positioning of the charging cable, the port, it's identical. All right, so let's put inside. Right, so this is the position. Okay, and then when you look into the Halo GT1 Pro, let's put it side by side for comparison. So on the left is the A6X wireless earbud. On the right, we have the Halo GT1 Pro. You can see from here, it looks very identical except for the A6X. It has a couple of holes here, which should be the LED indication light for the power. Right. Put it aside. So besides that, so it's matte finish throughout. Of course, with some shiny finishing on the plastic, especially like along the rim and at the bottom as well. As you can see here, a bit shiny, but the rest of it is matte. It's plastic, right? It's also elongated slightly, like over here I have the L13, all right? So it looks elongated slightly. Okay, so when you open up, oh, and before I go in, once again, you will realize that one thing I like, there's no branding, which is good, right? I like it simple. Okay, and then when you go into the earpiece, you can see here, right? It's kind of flat and a bit rounded here, right? And then there's a hole here, which is, this should be for the mic, right? Matte finishing throughout, and of course same as the casing, as you can see from here. Casing in the middle, there's a bit of a shiny finishing to it, right? I want to do a direct comparison with, I have here, it's the L21 Pro. You can see from here it's slightly smaller in profile, right? And or even if I to compare to the Halo GT1 Pro, let me take it out. This, let me put it side by side, as you can see here. So I'm gonna put it side by side. So as you can see from here, on the left it's the A6X, and on the right is the Halo GT1 Pro. It is almost identical in size, as you can see here, in size, right? Even in the thickness as well. On the underside, it's very, very identical, except of course for the placement of the sight indication, right? Other than that, it's very, very identical. Okay, I'll put back the Halo back to its casing, right? So yeah, so there you have it. Right, so this is the unboxing of the A6X wireless earbud. So over the next couple of days, I'll actually be testing it to see how well it does. All right, so that's all we have from me. My name is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.